Good morning, students. It's me, Sudarshan sir. Today we are going to deal with GK. Take a book, pencil. Next chapter, parliaments. Okay. Name the parliaments of each given country. They have given the country name. We have to find what parliament they have organized in their country. Australia. Australia's parliament is option L. Federal Parliament. Just refer down for the answers. Okay. Ireland. Ireland's Parliament is option O. Althing. Name of the Parliament of Ireland is Althing. Iceland. Denmark. Denmark's Parliament is option J. Folketing. Iran. Iran's is option G. Majlis. Next. India. India's is option K. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Israel. Israel's is option B. Knesset. Next. Germany. Germany is option M. Bundestag and Bundesrat. Next. Japan. Japan's is option D. National Diet. Next. Malaysia. Option N. Diwan Rakyat and Diwan Nigara. Mongolia. Option I. State Great Kural. Norway. Option F. Storting. Nepal. Option C. National Panchayat. Russia. Option E. Federation Council and State Duma. UK. Option A. House of Commons and House of Lords. USA. Option H. House of Representatives and Senate. Okay. That's it for the unit 11. Now we'll go for unit 12. Famous gardens. Read the clues given below to name some of existing gardens in India. By reading the clue, you have to say the name of the garden. First one. This garden near Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is known for its water palaces and fountains. It has fountains in it and water palaces. What is the name of the garden? Deeg Palace Garden. For answer, please refer down. Deeg Palace Garden. Next one. This Mughal garden in Kashmir is created to Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan, we know that very well, right? And takes its name from mountain spring that waters it. What is the name of the garden? Where is it? Shashmi Shahai. Shashmi Shahai. Next. Planted by Emperor Jahangir and his consort Noor Jahan. Jahangir and Noor Jahan. This beautiful garden is situated on the banks of Dal Lake in Srinagar. It is situated in Srinagar. Okay. What is the name of the garden? 1 minute, students. Shalimar Bagh. Shalimar Bagh. Okay, next one. Next. This garden on the banks of Yamuna is a classic thumb garden with stone-edged flower beds in the lawns. What is the name of it? Itmad Wood Duala Thamb Garden. Itmad Wood Duala Thamb Garden. Next. Considered to be Asia's largest garden, spread over 30 acres. It has more than 1,600 varieties of roses in it. It is situated in Chandigarh. What is the name of the garden? Zakir Hussain Garden. Zakir Hussain Garden. Next. This garden is in Rastrapati Bhavan, designed by Edwin Lutyens. It is a beautiful 20th century adoption of traditional Mughal taste. In the Mughal emperor taste, in their time, how the gardens will be, more or less it looks similar. Now they built it in 20th century. What is the name of the garden? Mughal garden. Okay. Seventh one. This palace garden in Jodhpur was designed by Henry Lanchester, who drew ideas from traditional English gardens. What is the name of the garden? Umaid Bhawan Garden. Umaid Bhawan Garden. Okay, next. It was built by Roshanara Begum. It now has a zoo. It has a zoo inside the garden, a plant nursery, and also a plant nursery, a Japanese garden, and picnic lawns. What is the name of the garden? Roshnara Bagh. Roshnara Bagh. Since Roshnara built it, it is Roshnara Bagh. Okay. Next unit. Unique festivals. Answer the following question about some festivals celebrated in India. Okay. First one. In which festival of Kerala is a procession of decorated elephants taken out? In which festival elephant is decorated and it is taken out for streets? Option is option D. Answer is Thrissur Puram. Thrissur Puram. Okay. That is the festival. Okay. Next one. Second one. Which festival is celebrated on birth anniversary of Guru Padmasambhava in the country yard of Hemis Gompa in Ladakh, where people perform dance wearing colorful masks? What is the festival? Option B. Hemis festival. Okay. Next. Third one. In this festival of Odisha, the deity Jagannath, his brother Balram and sister Subhadra are placed in huge chariots pulled by hundreds of devotees. Name the festival. Who are those? Deity Jagannath, his brother Balram and sister Subhadra. Okay. They were carried away by hundreds of devotees. They are devotees. What is the name of the festival? Option E. Rath Yatra. Few could have known about this. Rath Yatra. Next one. The first month of Islamic calendar, when devotees mourn the death of Hazrat Imam Hussain, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad. Name the festival. It is when? In the first month of Islamic calendar. Name the festival. Muharram. Yeah, Muharram. We know that very well, right? Okay, next. Marking the onset of harvest season, this festival has various names in different regions. It is celebrated by flying kites in Gujarat, offering newly harvested cereals to fire in Punjab, and fasting on multicolored halwa and Maharashtra. What is the name of the festival? Option H. Makar Sankranti. What is Saluno better known as? What is Saluno better known as? Option A. Raksha Bandhan. It is called as Saluno butter. Seventh one. An annual celebration held at Meenakshi Temple, Madurai, that we know very well, right? That lasts for almost a month. What is the name of the festival? Option C. What is it? Chittirai Tiruvizha. Okay. Next. Last one. Announcing the arrival of spring, celebration of this festival of Assam involve bathing and worshipping cows. Since spring season comes, they used to bath and worship the cows. Feasting on regional delicacy, pitha, and performing folk dance, which shares its name with the festival. With performing what? Folk dance. Okay. What is the name of the festival? Option G. Bogag Bihu. Bogag Bihu. Okay? Okay. Next. That's it for 13th unit, students. Next. 1 minute, students. Fourteenth unit. India and the Nobel. The Nobel Prize winners shown here are either Indians or have an Indian connection. These are Nobel Prize winners down. They will be either Indians or they are connected to Indian in some way to get their they get their Nobel Prize. Read the information and identify each person. First one. A great writer and philosopher, became the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. The author of National Anthem of India and Bangladesh. He is the author of National Anthem. What is the answer? Option A. Option A. 1 minute, students. Please wait. Option A. Who is that? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, next one. Next one. Won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009 along with Thomas A. 1 minute. Along with Thomas A. States and Ada Yonath, current president of Royal Society of London. Okay. What is the option? Option E. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. Few could have known about him. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. Okay. Third. Born in 1888 in Tamil Nadu. He born in Tamil Nadu, okay. Was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Discovered Raman effect. He discovered Raman effect. Option H. What is his name? C.V. Raman. Okay? Okay. We know that very well, right? Okay. Next one. Received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Set up many homes for poor. Established in Missionaries of Charity of Calcutta. Also established the Nirmal Hriday organization. Who is this great lady? Great woman. Saint Teresa. You know Teresa, right? Teresa. More or less like God for many people. Saint Teresa. Next. Synthesized the first woolly artificial gene. Received the Nobel Prize in Physiology medicine. Okay, physiology, medicine. In 1968, with Robert W. Holey and Marshall W. Nirenberg, was awarded the U.S. National Medal of Science, become a neutralized citizen of U.S. in 1966. He's an Indian, but he became U.S. citizen. What is his name? Option G. Amartya Sen. Okay. Next one. Won the Nobel Prize in Economic Science in 1998. Researched the causes of famine and poverty. What is his name? Option B. Har Gobind Khorana. Har Gobind Khorana. Don't think this Corona. Khorana. Okay, next one. 7th question. Won the 1983 Nobel Prize in Physics for his studies on physical processes important to the structure and evolution of stars. The nephew of Dr. C.V. Raman. He is the nephew of Dr. C.V. Raman. What is the name? Option C. Subramanya Chandrasekhar. His name is Subramanya Chandrasekhar. Next. A children's rights activist won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 along with Malala Yousafzai. Okay. Founded the Bachman Bachao Andolan, which helped to protect the right of more than 83,000 children from 144 countries. What is the name of him? Kailash Saryartri. Okay. That's it, students, for today. Take your notes. I hope you took your notes. Else you take your notes. Means what? Just write the answers in your book. Take a photo, send in the group. Okay. And then what is to read? Just read all these units. Okay. Okay, students. Have a happy day. Take care. Bye.